I don't know how much value I have in this universe, but I do know that I made a few people happier than they would have been without me. And as long as I know that, I'm as rich as I ever need to be.
Hey there guys, good buddy here from the Action Toys channel, and here's what we're working on today. It is a Galaxy Warriors figure. The head has obviously been repainted. So what's going on is that we're missing the crotch section of this figure, so we're going to pop them apart. And then we're gonna work on this. Okay, so yeah, so it was brown before, so most of the things you're gonna need for this is a container, super glue, toothbrush, a pry item, and some isopropyl alcohol. Alright guys, let's continue. So one thing we're going to add into this one is paper towels. Because I forgot, we always need to be able to dry this sucker off. So as you see, we're getting most of the paint off. There we go. I think that's pretty good. Got most of it off. I think that's about as good as we're going to get for that. Look at all that paint and flecks come off. Okay. So, we got all these here. We're going to go through and look for some bits and bobs. So I don't have a crotch for that guy. We might have to... There's this. No. It's 1, 2. Okay. So we got 2 things here. All right. So does this pop apart? Nope. Okay. So this one's already apart, and it looks like it just needs a quick shot of paint. Okay. So it is quite literally way too large. All right, do I go with a traditional fix? Let's see. We are going to have to pop this, and we are going to have to pop a fair bit of this off, so... Looks like it's been, yep. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, so, all right, we do have, one second, let's toss this over there. That over there. I wasn't 100% sure if I was going to need those clippers or not, but it looks like we were. There we go, look at that. That's not bad. I will have to put something up here yet. I don't know what it's going to be, but we will glue this together. So, oh, I am going to probably have to use a clamp. So the things we've added since I've said here's all you're going to need is going to be the heck. The things that we're going to have to add in are paper towels, flush cutters, and a clamp. Okay. Did this? It didn't puncture. Okay. One second. No, I might have expired glue here. Yep, looks expired to me. Yep, it's gone, babe. It's gone off. Let's hope we can get one of these that didn't go off on us. Let's see. No, I don't think. Oh my goodness. That one's gone off. Uh-oh. Attempt number 2. Oh, no, that one's gone off. Uh-oh, we might have to put this on hold. Yep, so they've all gone off. So I need to go get some more glue. Alright guys, we'll be right back. Okay guys, it is really late at night and I couldn't find any glue, and the glue I did find, it was already gone off. It's expired. So that being said, we're gonna go with pinning this together. Hopefully that works. That being said, I'm gonna need my torch, which I misplaced already. Okay, well, we're gonna put the isopropyl alcohol away. I'm gonna look for that dang torch because I already stuff falling down now. Okay, what did I do with that torch? All right, guys. So it's really late at night. As you see, our guys here. Everything's on the mat. I haven't touched anything. I was going to use this clamp to glue it together and then work on it, but it looks like I'm going to have to skip the gluing phase and then go straight to pinning this together. Okay. So with pinning it together, I literally just, actually I will end up using this clamp from the looks of it. Okay, I'm just gonna go this way. Okay, there we go. Now what I'm gonna try and do is, well, I should have marked it first. Maybe I'll do that now. It's already sticking together pretty good. So I'm just gonna take a paint marker and I'm gonna just dab where this has to go when it comes to okay, that looks good enough. Okay. Oh, there we go. First gonna do that. Let that sit there for a second. Put our paint pen away. Now that torch I needed, we found it. All right. So then we're gonna take this pair of flush cutters because that's a short pair. Put the good pair back up on the shelf, which is just my bolt. Okay. Let me turn my fan off because it's way too bloody. We're gonna be busted with fire, so. All right, so now we're just gonna heat this up till it's red. And push it through. That's going to take a couple of tries, but it'll be fine. Okay. So we have to push this in hot and push in as far as we can. If it pokes up the other side, it's not going to matter. Okay, didn't work. Oh, we're stuck. Maybe we can just do it this way. And this is why I like pinning things with the tacks, because they take forever to get them in and out. Okay, so we're going to push it through until this side is hot. Yeah, I think it's better to do it apart. Okay. And it's not going to matter because this orange piece is going to be painted black afterwards, because it's already been painted black once, so it's not going to bother us too much. Okay. Oh, come out the side a little bit, but that's fine. What we wanted was for it to pop out the other way, but happens. And if you guys were wondering, I will release a sped up version, a time-lapse version of this. There we go. Okay, now we can get our good flush cutters. And we're going to leave this here so that we can heat it up and push it back over. Okay. Now we got to do the other side. We're only going to go from the inside out this time. See, normally I would do this over the stove because it's a consistent flame and I can get it super hot. The whole item would be red then. Dang it. Will it even... Yeah, it started. That's good. I messed that up myself. That's pretty close. Okay, there we go. Pinned on. Well, it's going to get pinned on both sides. Did I drop something? I heard something fall, so I have to look. Nope. Okay. Well, something did fall. I just don't know what it is. All right. Yeah. So, do I bother pinning the bottom though? That's the problem. I think what fell was one of my tack pieces. It's fine. It doesn't matter. Okay. Huh. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta do the other. I gotta do the front side too, don't I? Well, I guess I could do this. Just put it together. Hope for the best. Okay, we're gonna. Please don't fall apart. Okay. All right, let's get that there. We're gonna get one of these tacks. I'm gonna hold it to the end. Heat the sucker up. Grab this. Push it in all the way, like you just saw me do. And it didn't pop through. That's good, so now that side's gonna be good. Got to get this other one done now. This one's a little bent, so. Okay. So the bottom isn't gonna stay together like I wanted it to, so that means we're gonna have to use another tack, unfortunately. And I think I dropped one, and I'm scared to walk around my room here without it. I only did two, I think. I'm hoping. So we do have an extra tack here. We just have to clip it. That was a little scary. Ouch, hit myself in the face. All right. All right, let's go. We're gonna push it through the, do this. See, now if I had some glue, I would have just glued it and dented it, and it would have been 10 times easier, but no glue means no easy streaks. Okay, it's one try. Oh, better be careful here. Oh, and I see what happened. I missed. So we're gonna try again. Unfortunately, that pin ain't working. So because I'm literally, when I pushed it down, I went in on a slight angle. So now we have to go from the other side, and hopefully this time we get it. That being said, let's do it like this time. It's not gonna work that way, is it? All right, so now that we got that, is there anything here I can put this on to make it stand? There we go. My 3D printed Origin Scareglow I'm working on. Head does go up and down. All right. Oh, I was using this for this though, right? Yep. Okay. Okay, we got that settled. Don't need you anymore. Not my best work, but it worked for now. All right, so there we go. Just a little bit of black paint will fix that up. I'm gonna try and pull this other one out. Let's just do this then. There's almost nothing here to catch on to anyways. See how it went in on an angle? That's what I was hoping wouldn't happen. So we're just gonna heat this one up and push it out. Alright. Alright, that's done. We could probably push it all back together. Now what's going on here? Oh, it just missed too. They both just kind of missed. That's fine. Okay, so now we can just trim this up. I could probably bend you this way. Okay. Do I care? I don't know. Let's just throw them back together and see what we end up with. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Now, did I go through the front? No, it's the front one that was the one that... Oh. The front one was the one that did the best. Okay, it's going to need to be heated up again. Probably because this is the wrong one. Ooh. See how I said it might come through? There it is right there. If that comes through, I can just take a little Dremel and I can get rid of it. So it did come out the other side. But I did push it in quite a bit further than last time, so. That is definitely in there way better. And these are all doing good, so. So now I'm not gonna be able to pin this together because there's no supports inside. If you look, it's pretty clean in there. So there's not really a whole lot I can do. Beyond that, so I guess I'm gonna have to use a soldering iron now to plastic weld this piece down. So do I have something that might fit there? So I know I have to be about this height, right? One second, let's clean this up. Not bad for just putting like a random custom part in there. Okay. Let's see if we can make this there we go. A little bit better. Little bit better. Alright. Now, I am going to need glue. Dang it. I was hoping I wouldn't need it. Let me go through my drawer of curiosities here. Nope. No. No. Oh no. I have no glue whatsoever. I was hoping I would find a random one somewhere by now, but I've not. All right, well, guys, yeah, we'll get this all sorted out, and we'll just get this piece all sorted out right here. Let me get up and grab my welder. Well, it's a wood burning kit. Oh, it's a soldering kit, wood burning kit, whatever, same thing really. And if anyone says no, then how come I can solder with it? Oh, look at that. Yep, I think I do have them all here. Okay, cool. Oh. I need a little bit of tape. A little bit of tape for this. That just set doesn't move. So I can do this. Okay. Now we're gonna turn it on. Whew. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this together. I'm going to weld it. Push this in just so far. How tight does this fit? Does this fit in here? Yes, it does. And it fits almost perfectly. So I could put this in. Okay. Put this in. So I could literally just remove all this stuff. Okay, I can remove all that. And I can push this in. So this is going to have to be just hollowed out just a little bit. And I will weld these faces together right here. And how are you doing? Not there yet. Okay. Let's give it a few minutes. So this head turned out really nice. I got all, apparently there was black primer on it too, and that's why my fingers got discolored there. But that turned out really nice. Holy heck. I think this is the second time I've ever worked on this type of legs, so not too bad. Well, this is the first time I've ever modded like this, like to make a Motu figure piece fit this. Oop. Oop. A second. There we go. His head tightened up. Oh, we're getting the smoke some now. Okay. Now here's where we just gotta drag a couple of scoring parts through, rub them together. And then rub them together again. Then that part is together. Now let's put this here. I want to see if this will push in now. Not quite. Okay, so just gotta get some of these pieces to cooperate. There we go. Ah, just what I wanted. Okay. Okay, so now what we want is to just heat this up and push it down. I'm gonna need my fan for this. Okay. Let that cool down a little bit. What I'm gonna do is chop this off. Some of it anyways. Okay. So there we go. I am going to probably have to pin this into place like I did the other one, but we'll do that after we... Oh! We can push this down a fair bit. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's pin that now while we're working on it. Oh, we gotta turn the fan off first. Okay. Almost there. I'm not worried about if I wreck the band because I've already 3D modeled out replacement bands for it, so that's not a big deal. So, does that pop out? No. Nope, not at all. It's still a little wiggly, but that's fine. Little wiggle never hurt anybody, unless you're a sword, and then a little wiggle can snap you at the wiggling spot. Okay. I could have just chopped this down, but I wasn't sure how that would turn out. Let's see, this still fits in. That is literally, oh man, it's gonna have to be brought down to, where did I put that marker? Oh, marker pens and stuff all over. So we're looking about right there. Okay. Now I can turn the fan back on. All right. Now we're gonna heat this all up. And bring it down to that spot down there. There we go. So we're gonna put this head back on. I just want to see how it fits. Oh yeah. Pop this out. Oh yeah, that one has to be put into him. Pop this out just a little bit so I can get this in. Oh look, he's been cut at some point too. Unless that's just from when they did the mold, I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna push this in. We're gonna put this on. Close. Oh no, that didn't happen the way I was hoping it would. It just stretched it out. It wasn't because it wasn't done drying out yet. Okay. Put a little water on that. Bring that temperature down a fair bit more. Well, he does have a little wiggle, but that's not bad. Definitely better than it was. Grab us a black. This is a paint marker, but it says Sharpie on it. But The Sharpie is super glossy, by the way, so you'll definitely notice it. We just wanted it to be. Well, I just wanted it to be displayable. That's what we're going for here. I don't care if it's perfect. It's just going to go up on my shelf with all my other Masters of the Universe stuff. And it's obviously a custom thing, but I don't think anyone's going to fault me for it because it is. I was literally missing an entire crotch and I just made one, so. That's what we get for catching things. Now we just need to get some glue tomorrow and glue them together. Not bad. Once he's good and tight, I think he'll be ready to go. So I'll put some glue. Oh yeah, once you tighten this up, he really does look good. Once you let go and he opens up, he's super wiggly. So yeah, not bad. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, that's it for today because, well, I have no Gorilla Glue, I have no super glue, I have nothing. But the head turned out amazingly well, as you see. I had everything but the crotch, but we made one. So other than that, I think he turned out alright. And we made do. I might come back and redo this part. So I'll just use a black piece. Maybe use that one that was over there and just pry it apart. Yeah, but I think this turned out really well. I'm pretty happy with it so far. Yep. If I do update it, you'll see me come back and just redo the crotch, which is pretty much all I can do. But yeah, he tightens up so much better. I just can't get enough pressure down here. When I do, it's definitely not bad. He will stand just like this, so I think we're doing all right. All right, guys, that's it for today. As always, much love. God bless you all. And yes, stay awesome. Whoa.